Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen. Have a little Chanel for you. And let's just jump right into it because, of course, I want to wear it. And right now, taking off that ribbon, pretty Chanel ribbon that you always get. Hopefully you get it if you ask to have it wrapped. Pretty little bow. Love it, love it. Excuse me. The camellia, the bag, and then inside the bag, whoop! Inside the bag is the receipt with the damage. Not too bad. And then this is a cute little wrapping. Chanel always wraps really nice. I truly enjoy their packaging. I don't know if it's because it's classic, black and white. I don't know, but I love it. So, as I stated, let's get right into it. Just doing a little reveal. Reveal is usually what you just show people what you purchased. And this is a little, let's get that right there. A little booklet. I never read it. This is what's inside, just in case you want to see it. Okay. And then let's go. Let's turn that around. And here you have it. Can you see it? Beautiful. Let's see. Let's see if I can get it. There you go. Nice earrings. Love them. Can wear them with anything. You know, it's just the way, whatever way you roll, you do you. But I think these, you could wear them with anything. All right, yes, if you're going night-night, you can wear them. If you're with your workout attire, you can wear them. If you're with your evening attire, you can wear them. If you're with your job attire, you can wear them, okay? You can pair them with anything. I love them. All right, and let me take it out of the box for you. And yes, here's the little tag with all the detailed information. There you go. And let's take out one of those earrings for you. There you go. Get a good look at it. It has the gold plating, the double CCs. Let me see if I can hold it just right for you. Can see the double CCs etched in the back. And let's put that down. And again, this is for pierced earrings. There's the post and the backing right there. And this is from the 19S collection, and it's AB1399Y02003. And they are the earrings. They're golden crystal earrings. And here is the tag, so you can see it. And I'm just now getting around to revealing these. Have not opened them. First time that I open them. And they're, look at that. It's really a decent width on that. You know, it's not 14 karat gold, but it's gold plated, but it's pretty thick. I like that. And then anything that has bling, I love. I really do. So those are the earrings. Here is the information. Okay. Here's a lovely piece. It's very, very pretty. And look, I just want to, hopefully the camera is picking it up so you can see how thick that is, the width of it. Very nice, elegant, classic, double C's. I do think it can go with anything. Pair it with your jeans, pair it with your pencil skirt, pair it with your formal gown. It's just definitely up to you how you pair it because it can go with anything. So that is the one purchase that I made. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, questions, just sound off below. So thanks again. Comment below. And until the next time, stay classy. Bye-bye.